Finding an affordable home today in this housing market is not always easy. You might be hearing in the media, rates are high, don't buy. Or maybe you're saving for a down payment, or it could be that you're not buying a home because you just can't find too many things under $500,000. If that's you, I have some good news for you today. There's a quick move-in special out at Radiance. It's in Apache Junction, but it's right next to East Mesa. If you're familiar with East Market, it's pretty much next door. It's at the intersection of Ray and Ironwood. And Radiance has a floor plan available called the Caroline, or as I like to call it, the Sweet Caroline. And I call it the Sweet Caroline because it's under $450,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,536 square feet. It's also on a financing special right now, meaning that they have a program that's no money down and that has a low interest rate on top of that. So now you can see why I like to call it the Sweet Caroline. Let's go ahead and take a look at the model. And then after that, I'm also going to be showing you a little bit about Radiance, the community itself. It has some of the most spectacular amenities that I have ever seen at any community. So you're going to want to stick around for that. And if you'd like to see the model in person, make sure you give me a call. DR Horton is paying the buyer agent commission, so you get representation at no cost to you. All right, let's take a look. Okay, so what do you think? Really smart layout, wouldn't you agree? If you do, stick around as I'm going to be showing you now what the Radiance community is all about. Radiance features an impressive 11,000 square foot clubhouse designed for relaxation and community gatherings, with an inviting lounge area and a private reservable room for events. The massive resort-style pool is truly spectacular, offering a beach entry pool as well as designated lap lanes, a shallow zone for kids, and plenty of cabanas, umbrellas, tables, and lounge chairs for ultimate comfort. Additional amenities at Radiance include a splash pad, an extra-large fitness center with locker rooms and water refill stations, barbecues, fire pits, cornhole, bocce ball, and basketball courts, multiple playgrounds and play structures throughout the community, 13 pocket parks with walking and biking trails woven throughout the community, and soon to come, a scenic lake. All of this is available at Radiance for HOA fees as low as $90 a month, with a slightly higher fee of $158 a month for homes within the gated portion of the community. If you have kids or love to entertain, Radiance just might be your best bet. What did you think? Which amenity was your favorite? I'll tell you which one was my favorite. I love that table that's right outside the pool that has the fire put in the middle. I could just imagine having some friends over, hit the pool, and then have a little dinner, a little barbecue at that fire pit. I think that would be really fun. But I also love the idea of the rentable room in the clubhouse for only $150. That includes the tables and chairs. Who has that? I have kids, and we are always having football functions, birthday parties, and I definitely know that is something that I would use if I lived at Radiance. If you'd like to tour it in person, make sure you give me a call. Now, remember, this is a quick move-in, so I cannot guarantee that it's going to be available at the time that you watch this video. But the good news is this is one of their most popular floor plans. They're building all the time, they're adding to their inventory. So there's still a good chance that we can get you one, but make sure you give me a call right away if you want to take advantage of this great pricing, because I don't know what the pricing is going to be in the future, and I don't know what the financing is going to be in the future either. I'd love the opportunity to help you and your family find your next home here in the East Valley.